Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings. Then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you just click here on appearance. When you just click on appearance, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, so you just come here to show remaining time. So just click in this sign or this color or show it here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.